Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering developing effective presentation skills, engaging and influencing your audience. So let's dive in. In the ever evolving landscape of our professional lives, developing effective presentation skills is like honing the art of storytelling. You're not just giving a presentation, you're orchestrating a symphony of ideas that will leave your audience spellbound. Our professional lives are like grand stages, and your presentation skills are the spotlight that can make your message shine. I'm not here to bore you with generic advice. We're about to dive into the secrets of captivating your audience and making your message stick. So grab your virtual microphone and let's step into the spotlight together. Before we start, let's talk about an essential ingredient to presentation expertise: a positive and realistic mindset. Imagine you're the hero of your own presentation story, and your mindset is the plot that propels you forward. It's not just about thinking positively, it's about staying focused, being prepared, and believing in your message. As you embark on your presentation adventure, your positive and realistic mindset will be your trusty sidekick, guiding you through the twists and turns of the stage. Now, let's dive into 5 steps to support our effective presentation skill development to engage and leave our audience spellbound. Starting with step 1: rock the connection. Forget the stiff, formal vibe of traditional presentations. Imagine you're the host of the coolest party in town, and your audience is your enthusiastic guest list. Start by asking a thought provoking question or sharing a relatable story. Breaking the ice and establishing a connection from the start will make your audience feel valued and engaged. After all, the best parties have the best hosts. Step 2: craft your epic tale. Your presentation is not just a bunch of slides, it's an epic story waiting to be told. And stories have structure. Just like a novelist plots their book, map out your presentation. Imagine you're a storyteller weaving a tale of inspiration and knowledge. Start with an engaging hook. Lay out your key points and conclude with a memorable takeaway. Your audience should be on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting your next line. Step 3: visual aids as sidekicks. Visual aids should complement and not overshadow your presentation. Imagine you're a magician using props to enhance your performance. Keep your visuals simple, relevant, and visually appealing. They should support your narrative, not distract from it. These aids should add to the enchantment of your tale without stealing the show. Step 4: practice, practice, practice. The stage of presentations is no place for improvisation. Imagine you're an actor rehearsing for the performance of a lifetime. This isn't the time for winging it. Practice your presentation until you know it like the back of your hand. This not only boosts your confidence, but also ensures a smooth delivery. The more you rehearse, the more confident and charismatic you'll become on stage. And step 5: engage with confidence. When you step onto the stage, be confident and own it. Imagine you're a confident explorer sharing your findings. Maintain eye contact, vary your tone and pace, and use gestures purposefully. Confidence is contagious and will draw your audience into your presentation. It is also your amplifier, so crank it up and let it rock. And now, here's a nugget of wisdom to supercharge your journey to becoming an engaging presenter. Embrace the uncertainty of your audience's reactions, but don't let it overshadow your performance. Remember the acronym EPIC: establish connection, paint your epic tale, include visual magic, and command the stage. Don't forget to practice like a pro. It's your time to shine. It's time to reach within and craft your unique presentation narrative. Find the groove within the chaos and let your passion for your topic electrify the room. Let's summarize. We are researching, practicing, and developing our effective presentation skills to engage and influence our audience. The 3 key points to doing so are: 1. Rock the connection. Be the life of the party from the start. 2. Craft your epic tale. Turn your presentation into an unforgettable story with structure. And 3. Engage with confidence. Exude confidence and charisma on stage. With these skills, you'll become a presentation maestro, captivating your audience and leaving a lasting impact. These were some steps and secrets to developing effective presentation skills, engaging and influencing your audience. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering enhancing creativity, unleashing your innovative potential. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.